Yes, absolutely. So, guys, in COVID has taught us a lot of humility, and the biggest lesson learned is nothing is immune, right? Not only immunity in terms of health immunity, but the business and economic immunity. So COVID has deeply impacted Droom's business. And while we are temporarily very disrupted, I mean, we were planning to be listed on Nasdaq by end of next year. We become very sizable company very quickly. Temporarily, our business is significantly down, and I hope for everyone's safety and mankind's safety, we are out of COVID very quickly. I don't have a magic wand right now. Right now, our business is very deeply impacted, but I feel very confident that perhaps on by 1st April 2021, roughly 9 months from now, perhaps we will be in a position to say that one of the best thing happened to Droom was COVID. I can't tell you, I was entrepreneur. First time when I started ShopClues, had to raise $2 million, teamed up with 5 people, started the company, 4 years later, $1 billion company. Started Droom during my very low time, raised some money, got lucky. 4.5 years later became a $1 billion company. But I never got a chance of having a 6 years of building a company, its infrastructure, culture, value system, everything at place, very large scale. We proved everything. Now I get a luxury of looking Droom exactly how I looked ShopClues or Droom in the first 6 months. And that means a lot of original thinking, innovation, and disruption. So to answer the question, yes, our business is very deeply impacted. But I think while right now everything is not translating into numbers because it takes time. If it takes time now, it takes 9 months for baby to get delivered. It cannot be delivered in 5 months or 7 months. Same way, it will take time. But I feel, let's say, whenever Droom will be $25 billion company, which let's say I thought first time ever in 6 years back. I feel 3 things have happened because of COVID. Chances of achieving 25 billion has gone up. When we will achieve 25 billion probably has come down. But temporarily, whatever we had to achieve in 2020 got delayed by 1 year. But we have become much stronger company because of that. And happy to display in coming months and a year, lot of innovations coming out of because of that. Yeah. See, this is a great question. So first of all, thank you for the wishes, guys. As I mentioned in the beginning, in Corona, during COVID, people do bizarre things. So this Sunday, at 11:30, I just got married, the love of my life, and it was a gathering less than 5 people, including my bride and I. And so, thank you for all the wishes. See, in terms of enthusiasm, I would say, keeping the human spirit alive and hope. Those are probably the two. I may sound very philosophical. But keeping your human spirit always alive and hope alive are the 2 biggest things which make human race different from any other 50 million other animals on earth. So long, so my only thing is always remember something which goes up may come down and something goes down will eventually go up, right? Every day will not be similar. So my suggestion will be that always build your mental, emotional, social, and family infrastructure strong. Entrepreneurship does not matter whether you have a lovely spouse, kids, family, siblings, friends, very happening social life. It's a very lonely choice of career, right? But if you keep your social infrastructure, if you keep your emotional infrastructure, mental infrastructure and family infrastructure strong, you will sail through this, right? You obviously, there's not even a single entrepreneur on earth who always just had a growth parallel to y-axis. You will always have ups and downs, right? But the biggest thing I would say is Never play a victim card, never have self-pity, and always keep your hope and human spirit up. And I would say, whenever anything you achieve, celebrate it. Celebrate it, because you may not have every day for celebration. And anything which does not go fine, introspect, learn, but know, so long as you know the problem, that's 80% of the solution.